Alright guys, so I'm going to show you how to film a video for Snapchat to send to your friends or add to your story. Alright, now it's pretty simple, so if you want to take a photo, just press the shutter key. It's going to cancel that. Now, to do a video, it's actually the same button, but this time you're going to hold down on it. And you see now there's this yellow line. So you can record in 10-second intervals. When it hits the top here, that's 10 seconds. Now you can keep holding down, but there will be like a 1-second pause in between each one. And I think you can do it for like up to a minute or so. And it's let go when you're done. Okay, now I'm just gonna discard that. So one more thing here, just filming one more. Alright, now I'm just gonna filming one more. It's gonna put the volume down so that's not distracting. But yeah, from here you can swipe to the right. And it's add on a filter. And there's also a ton of stuff you can do on the right here, such as add music stickers and a bunch more. And then if you want, you can just type on the screen and just write some text. And hey guys, all there is to it. So when you're done, just either add to your story or send to your friends. And yeah, hopefully this helped out.